with, but look at your budget and say, no, Lord, I want to be a part of what you're doing.
But that's not a godly friend, is it? Kingdom says people that sharpen you on Proverbs 27. Anybody grateful for our crews? Anybody grateful for our teams? Here's one. Money. Individualism. What profits me personally? What kingdom says is this. Where your treasure is, your heart is also. Is there anything about your generosity that showcases your values of being a Christian? That's my disclaimer. You heard me. I did not say Christian podcast. I did not just say a sermon. I said God's word. And I put this first because one of the greatest misconceptions of the early church.
Oh, that's so. I love